Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sidasya Fitriaryani, and today I will tell you about do and don'ts culture in some countries that I know before the representation. The first is Japan. In Japan, don't be loud on public transportation. If you're traveling in group, try and keep yourself together and speak quietly to avoid being a nuisance to those around you. This includes phone as well. Avoid making phone call, playing video with sound, etc. Don't address someone by their giving name. Don't walk while eating. Don't blow your nose. Don't use sauce in house because it's not polite in Japan. Do accept gift when given in Japan. There is actually of a traditional in giving and receiving. The best way to accept a gift is to politely refuse in once or twice, but no more than 3 times, then take the gift. When you backpack in busy train, put your backpack in front. Putting your backpack in front when you busy train is to prevent your backpack hitting someone you don't know when you put it in back. And two is Ireland. Don't call Irish people English or British. It will make them feel upset. It's a different country entirely, and there a long history there. So make sure you only call them Irish. Don't object to swearing. Ireland might not be the best holiday spot for you. It's a truth universally acknowledged that the Irish swear a lot in day-to-day conversation. Yes, in general, Irish people swear a lot. Think of it more of a verbal tick than any sign of aggression. And do Irish conversation be social. People are considered very chatting in Ireland, so don't be surprised if you are often engaged in chit-chat. Greeting in Ireland after a hand. When meeting an Irish person for the first time, offer you hand for a polite handshake. In more rural areas, you will often be greeted with a wave and a how ya by strangers on the street. A three is Filipino. Don't no smoking or vaping in public prohibited. No gossiping because there is a law against gossiping or what is often referred to as chemis. Do we should do smile when meeting people in Philippines. Also do explore the country as much as you can. Interest for explore a place in Philippines including chocolate hell in Bohol. Four is Canada. Don't invite another person into party without permission because Canadian people they want to make sure you have to reserve that you are really going to the party, so then they know at least how much people they're going to feed or take care. Don't call when it's dinner time. It is between 5 to 7 p.m. Don't call at that time because Canadian people they don't want to be disturbed when they eating. That is so mean and rude. Don't talk too much about yourself because why? Because they don't even care about you. Also, why you move in Canada like this? When we want to eating in restaurant, we should raise hand but not snap your finger and say excuse me. And also the meeting and greeting when in Canada they will something huge each other to say hello, goodbye or thank you. And five is Vietnam. Don't touch other people head because it will be considered as a guest who is disrespectful and does not respect the local people. Don't pat the back. Why? Because patting the back is considered a rude act. And do passing food with 2 hands. Why? Because carrying food with 1 hand is considered impolite. Do asking before taking a photo because Vietnam people use good manner and tend to smile often when embarrassed or uncomfortable, so never assume it's okay to take a picture of someone. And six is North Korea. Do not take any photos because this rule must be obeyed by foreign tourists who are traveling to North Korea. Any form of taking pictures that are not accompanied by permission, it's a violation of regulation, and do not wear jeans and pyres. Wearing jeans or pyres is prohibited in North Korea. Kim Jong-un introduced this rule in 2017 to eliminate Western cultural influence. And in North Korean can shop anything. North Korean may not have the interpretation of shopping paradise like Hong Kong or Singapore, but in reality you can really spend money here. Apart from souvenirs, you can spend your money on snacks, postcard, locally brown beers, or even on circus entertainment and night market. Warm and friendly tour guide. Because of the seriousness of their duties, we might expect them to be cold and formal, but it turned out that there are some who are not. The guide who accompanied Paige throughout the trip was friendly and always asked if he was happy with this trip. Seven is China. Don't hug right away when greeting. It's a good idea to avoid hugging directly, especially when meeting someone for the first time. Anybody contact other than a simple handshake can make Chinese people feel uncomfortable. Do not wrap gifting using black or white wrapping paper. The thing that is prohibited when giving gift is using black or white wrapping paper. As a solution, you can choose a festive color like red and do. Punctuality. Being punctual is a sign of respect for others. Chinese people usually come early to show their sincerity, but you have to pay attention to the time and the situation, because arriving early at a meal is considered impolite and give the impression that you are hungry and want to eat. And I think that's all. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.